A blessed day to everyone. This time, we will discuss the introduction to entrepreneurship. This involves the origin of the word entrepreneur. What is entrepreneurship? What is an entrepreneur? And what is the difference between entrepreneur and business individual? I hope you enjoy this topic.
Nasubukan mo na bang tanungin kung saan galing ang pangalan mo? Naisip mo na ba anong pinagbatayan nito? Naisip mo rin ba kung saan nila kinuha ito? Ang magiging topic natin ngayon, hindi naman tungkol sa pangalan mo, kundi aalamin natin kung saan galing ang salitang entrepreneur. Bago natin pag-aaralan ang mga susunod na topic sa entrepreneurship. Ngayon, alam mo ba na ang salitang entrepreneur ay galing sa Middle French verb na entreprendre, na ang ibig sabihin ay to begin something or to undertake. Diyan po galing ang pangalang entrepreneur or yung iba tinatawag na entrepreneurship. Ngayon, alam na po natin, kaya handa na tayo pag-aralan ang ibang topic tungkol sa entrepreneur.
This time, we will discuss what is entrepreneurship. Using the definition of entrepreneurship that typically focus on establishing and managing the business, entrepreneurship is the process of creating, launching, and managing the business operation. What do entrepreneur process? They process creation. They create new business. They create new ideas. They create goods or service. They create new procedure. After the process of creation, the next step is the process of launching. They launch the created new business. They launch the created new ideas. They launch the created new goods or service. And they launch the created new procedure. And the last process is the managing. They manage the new ideas, the new business, the new goods or services, and the new procedure. That's why entrepreneurship is the process of creating, launching, and managing the business operation. Remember, entrepreneurship is a process of creating, launching, and managing the business operation. After we have studied what is entrepreneurship, it is time to study what is an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is an individual that develops new creation and assume the risk of setting up a business to produce product that will satisfy the customer needs and wants. Remember, entrepreneur is an individual and an entrepreneurship is a process. What kind of individual is an entrepreneur? It develops creation. What kind of creation? Creation of new business, creation of new ideas, creation of new goods and service, and creation of procedure. This individual assume risk because the creation has no assurance of survival, which means it doesn't know if The creation will earn income or survive to the market. It gives satisfaction to the customer to fulfill what is essential to the customer and what is the desire of the customer. Essential to the lives or to the daily transaction of the customer, desire to the customer because this is what the customer wants. Remember, an entrepreneur is an individual and an entrepreneurship is a process. For a wider definition of an entrepreneur has the ability to find and act on opportunities and translate these opportunities into product that will satisfy the market. This entrepreneur has the capacity to recognize the market potential of creativity and organize the resources needed like capital, talent, and other resources that can turn creation into a beautiful market innovation. Our next topic is about entrepreneur and business individual. What is the difference between entrepreneur and business individual? First, all entrepreneurs are business individual and not all business individuals are entrepreneur because an entrepreneur is a business individual that is not satisfied with its current performance and always find ways to improve and grow. An entrepreneur is a creative person who introduces new ideas to run the business, but the business individual is a person who follows already existing ideas. An entrepreneur is innovative in person. A businessman is traditional. The goal of an entrepreneur is customer-oriented. The goal of the business individual is profit-oriented. The risk margin of an entrepreneur is high. The higher the risk, the better for an entrepreneur. To a business individual, they go into business in a lower risk. In market position, an entrepreneur is the market leader. In a business individual, the market position is a market player. The orientation of an entrepreneur is opportunity-oriented. The orientation of the business individual is resource-oriented. That is the difference between entrepreneur and business individual. Always remember, all entrepreneurs are business individual, but not all business individual are entrepreneur. Before we end our topic about introduction to entrepreneurship, I would like to give you some review, a key sentences that will help you remember our lesson. The first sentence is the word entrepreneur originates from entreprendre, which is a French middle verb that means to begin something or undertake. Next, an entrepreneurship is a process of creating, launching, and managing. An entrepreneur is an individual that develops a new creation. Remember, entrepreneurship is a process and entrepreneur is an individual. Next, all entrepreneurs are business individual, but not all business individuals are entrepreneur. I hope you enjoy and God bless always.